Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need the basics ready. Watch charged, Bluetooth on, and the Noisefit app installed. Once done, put the watch in pairing mode. Open the Noisefit app and follow prompts to add a device. The app scans nearby watches. If you see multiple devices, choose the model name shown on your watch. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth remains active and do not switch apps during scanning. This avoids dropouts and speeds the discovery process. You now confirm the connection. Tap the watch entry in Noisefit and verify any on-screen code against the watch display. Grant requested permissions so calls, messages, and health data flow correctly. This is why you'll see prompts for notifications and contacts. Allow the initial synchronization to finish. It may take several minutes depending on data. If permissions are denied, some features won't work, so revisit app settings and toggle required accesses to complete a full sync. Finish by testing core features. Trigger a notification, check steps, and sample heart rate to confirm live data transfer. If something fails, reboot both the watch and phone, then retry pairing. Often this clears temporary Bluetooth conflicts. If problems persist, unpair from phone Bluetooth settings, use the app's Forget Device option, and repair. One key troubleshooting tip: reset network settings on your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.